There are several women crusaders who give their all to the causes like sexual reproductive health and menstrual health of underprivileged women. But how many men care about such causes? Names like Arunachalam, the Batman of India, come to mind. But there are others out there doing what needs to be done for this cause. One such youngster is Kamal Nayak, a man from Odisha, is raising awareness on menstrual hygiene in Hyderabad slums. Kamal is on a mission to educate and create awareness about menstrual hygiene.
We should create a space where you can create dialogues around menstrual health, dialogue around mental health, dialogue around.
He is also the founder of Good Universe, an NGO that is working to educate people, irrespective of gender, in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh on the importance of sexual and reproductive health. Kamal, a United Nations Fellow for Sustainable Development, while working in the production house for around 6 months, he realized that this was not something he was passionate about, and that's where the journey began. Kamal Nayak has an inspiring story to share with you all, so stay tuned to PMC English for the full episode.